how to edit video in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just open up your design. For example, this is my video here and I want to edit it. You can just click on the video itself and then you can just click on edit here at the top. And then here you can see all of the options here you can use. You can use the Magic Studio. You can use the adjust here as well. Change the temperature. As you can see, it changes. And then you can use the Magic Studio here. As you can see, there's a crown here. It means you need to use or to have the Canva Pro in order to use this. And then there's also the filters here. I can just choose, click on see all, and then as you can see, there are a lot of filters here that you can use. Let's say I'm going to use Stark here. As you can see, it changes. And then let's go back, and then you can see all of the apps here as well. And then the video speed, and then playback as well. If you want to play it on repeat, you can do that as well. Click on this one and then it'll play on repeat. Okay. Now if you want to, let's say, change the how long the video is, let's say let's trim the video, you can just click on trim here at the top. And then if let's say I don't want it to be 4 seconds, I want it to be 3 seconds, you can just change this, trim this, and then click on done. And there you go. Now it'll be 3 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of options here that you can use to edit your videos. You can also add text here as well. You can just click on add text box and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.